Introducing the 2025 Savannah, Continental, and Continental NX, the three models that make up Crest's ultimate luxury line, and for good reason. These models are the epitome of elegance and performance, seamlessly combining style and functionality to set new standards in pontoon boating. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through what makes these boats exceptional. We'll cover everything from customization options and powerful engines to exquisite interiors and cutting-edge technology. I'm Dana with Crest, and we're here in beautiful northern Michigan, just outside of where these boats are hand-built. Stick with me as we explore the unique features and benefits of the 2025 Ultimate Luxury line.
These are the good times, nothing but blue skies, sunset to sunrise, living my best life. These are the good times, nothing but blue skies, saints in the sunlight, living my best life, ready for the good times.
Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to appreciate the legacy of Crest Pontoon boats. For over 6 decades, we've been building memories on the water, pioneering innovations, and setting new standards for pontoon excellence. From humble beginnings to global recognition, Crest has become synonymous with quality, luxury, and unparalleled craftsmanship. And today, we're here to showcase the culmination of our efforts, the 2025 Ultimate Luxury line. Ranging from 25 to 27 feet in length, these models cater to a variety of preferences and boating needs. Their distinctive design and uncompromising features make them a true standout. But luxury isn't just skin deep. Each model features sophisticated interiors that exude elegance and class, with multiple styling options tailored to reflect your unique style. And thanks to a variety of spacious floor plan options, you can customize your ideal space to comfortably host up to 18 guests. Throughout the entire boat, on each of these models, our hand-built furniture is designed to exceed your highest expectations. At the helm, you'll find 29-inch high-back chairs for both the captain and co-captain, meticulously hand-stitched with luxurious plush upholstery, ensuring unmatched comfort and sophistication. These models also come equipped with a top-of-the-line multifunctional screen, placing a seamless, intuitive navigation experience at your fingertips. And unique to the Savannah, the entire captain's quarters is elevated, providing a commanding view and a more comfortable ride. Performance is at the heart of the Savannah, Continental, and Continental NX models, with single-engine options ranging from 115 to 400 horsepower. The Continental NX even offers an optional twin-engine upgrade, with up to 800 horsepower. With so many options, these models cater to a wide range of preferences and ensure that you get the power that you need. And all this power is complemented by comfort. The full-size windshield ensures the most comfortable cruising experience, protecting both the captain and the co-captain. To enhance your early morning and evening on-water experience, and to boost the visual aesthetics too, consider the option of adding the RGB exterior light package to your tritoon. Now, this package includes underdeck and underwater lights, giving you the freedom to customize the exterior lighting and infuse a bit of personal style into your nighttime cruises. Next, let's talk about shade, because when you're out in the water, a little shelter from the sun can make all the difference. That's why these models come standard with a power bimini, allowing you to adjust your shade with the touch of a button. And if you're needing even more coverage, we got you covered with available upgrades like the front shade option. You can also opt for the ultra-luxury cladded arch, which elevates the boat style even more. The arch can also be equipped with speakers for a superior behind-the-boat audio experience. Speaking of audio, the Ultimate Luxury line exceeds expectations with its premium audio system. We've teamed up with Klipsch Audio to integrate a state-of-the-art sound system, ensuring remarkably sharp and crystal clear sound quality, whether you're anchored in a cove or cruising full throttle. And with the stern remote control, you can manage your audio system from the back of your tritoon, making it easy for everyone on board to enjoy and control their favorite music without needing to return to the cockpit. Luxury and functionality go hand in hand with the Savannah, Continental, and Continental NX. These boats are equipped with a range of high-end amenities, including entertainment table options and a floatable ottoman cooler. This innovative cooler is designed to float, keeping your refreshments within easy reach whether you're on the deck or swimming in the water. Plus, our design ensures that we offer ample space for all your essentials, from towels and bags to coolers and water sports equipment. There's plenty of room to keep everything organized and easily accessible. You'll also enjoy the versatile bow filler seat that can be effortlessly added when you need more seating for guests or stowed away to free up deck space for other activities. And let's not forget about the little details that make a big difference. From the wireless chargers, cooled cup holders, and cool feel upholstery to the storage drawers and doggy drawer with dog wools, every inch of these models is designed with you in mind. Discover the ultimate in luxury, performance, and customization with Crest's Ultimate Luxury line. Whether you're entertaining guests or relaxing with the family, these tritoons are designed to deliver an extraordinary boating experience. Ready to become part of the Crest family? Explore each of these models further at crestpontoonboats.com or schedule a test drive at your closest dealer.